Hello, I am Vijaya Golumudi from Richard Bird Community Library. I will be showing you hydroponics, how to grow plants without using soil with water only. I'll be using this mung bean, also called green gram here. I have the raw stuff, and I will also be using our chickpeas, garbanzos, but these are black garbanzos. And here I have the wheat kernel, the whole wheat. And then I have this moth bean whole. It's also called Vigna, it has the botanical name, a green graham dal it is called, okay? So what I'll be doing is, I will be soaking all these four for 12 hours in water. Once they are soaked, I will be putting them in the baskets. So here I have soaked all these dals in the water, and now I will be using them how to start the process of the hydroponics. I have these baskets which have holes. So the first thing is I'll be putting our garbanzos. You see, just spread it around. The same thing with our moong dal, the green one you see here. So soaked, and then this is our wheat. I have in another basket the wheat. I'm going to spread it nicely. Okay, spread it nicely, and this is our last it's also called brown lentil. And you spread it nicely. It has some water, they can drain. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to place all of my baskets near this windowsill at Richard Bird, and I'm going to use these clear bowls. I'm going to fill them up with water and place these baskets here on top of them, and I'm going to use the water after 5 days. And till the 5 days, what I'm going to do is, I have these wet napkins. I'm going to fold them up and cover them up with the wet napkin, and I'll come back after 4 to 5 days and check if it is little sprouts. Then I'm going to fill this bowl with water and leave it. So here I have all the napkins. They're all wet. I have and cover them with it up with water. Just cover so that it's not seen. This is my and we will come back in 5 days and see how these things have sprouted near this window, and we'll see how they have. Okay. Hello, here is the third day. You see, I see some sprouts for all of them. And you see the sprouts, they're a little bit coming. So here is the sprouts. I'm going to sprinkle some water on the towel for all of them. So it's just damp, not wet, just damp, and leave it like that. And today what I'm going to do is, remember our empty bowls? I'm going to add water to them. Just if you see it, the basket is not touching, but the water is there. I'm going to add water in all these bowls today. And on the 5th day, the roots will come and they will touch the bottom. Okay, we'll come back on 2 more days, after 2 more days. Okay. Hello, we are again in Richard Bird kitchen watching my plants. So today I'm going to remove the cloth, the wet cloth we were putting all the 7 days. You see the sprouts, and this is for the garbanzos, and this is for the mung split, and here the slowly coming, and this is the wheat grass. So what I'm going to do now is, we have a windowsill in our beautiful Richard Bird kitchen. I'm going to place them there, and in couple of days you see nice growth, and the Richard Bird staff will enjoy all of them in their salad. So we'll come back after 2 days, and every day I'll be changing the water so that the water doesn't get dirty. The more water you change daily, the more fresher these greens will be. So I have just changed the water today. I'm going to change the water tomorrow. So that's how I'm going to do. And now I took out the wet cloth, napkin, whatever I kept, and they'll be in this windowsill, and you get the greenery. Go ahead. Hello, this is the 1 week, more than 1 week, 10 days exactly. So these are the plants. We can chop them and have in our salad. I was changing water almost every day. So these are the plants. And this is the other one. And this is the wheat grass. This is the wheat grass. And this is the garbanzos, the black garbanzos. They're supposed to be rich in nutrients. The top grass, you can cut it and use it in salad. We had a slight problem in the wheat grass because there was some drop in the temperature. So we have some slight mold. We can chop off the top wheat grass and use it. The slight mold inside is it's okay, we can use it because the mold was not formed underneath the basket, so it is safe. And if it was more sunny, this mold would have not been formed. And this mold can also be removed. Just keep it in the sun and sprinkle some turmeric powder, it will go away.